Keep him away from that pylon. There you go. Just reel down the lift. Stop. That is a sand bass. And I got my trolling motor going still. We should just be able to lift him straight up here into the boat. Here you go, Steve. Let me take him here. What a fat sand bass that is. And apparently I hadn't. See, that's a sand bass. Big old fat female sand bass. They call them white bass or sand. They call them sandies here for short. That's a big sand bass. Hey, this is Scott with All Out Outdoors. We're out here on Lake Tawakoni. We have a veteran with us today and his father, Steve. These two gentlemen right here. We're going to be trying to jig the bridge here and see if we can't get some of these monster crappie for pre-spawn. They should be actually going shallow, but we haven't caught any out shallow yet. So stick with us. Easy. Good news is you got heavy line. Reel back down on him. Lift. Slow. Oh, that's a hybrid. Holy crap. Let me get the net. Keep him in the water. That's a hybrid striper. Just bring him this way. So you don't want to reel down real low with these rods. He can't. He reeled up too close. Oh, got him. Nice hybrid. I bet that hit like a freaking freight train. Gotta be, don't do that. Those gill slits are sharp as razor blades, man. He'll give you stitches. Oh, okay. All right, let me put this up. Yeah, very likely. Very likely. Towing the boat all over the place. I got it. Now, give me some slack. Whoa. Yeah. Good deal, man. That is a big old hybrid. That's why the way it was fighting, I'm like, I think he might have a sand bass. I was wrong. So there's your hybrid, half sand bass, and half striper. Let me see.
Are they good to eat, or?
Yeah, they're not very good fried, but they're extremely good, like sauteed, seared, pan seared. I want to make sure he's over 18. Oh yeah, 20 inches. Would you calm down? That I like seeing. Oh. Yeah, look at that thing, folks. That is 20-inch long. Some of you Yankees call this a wiper. In Texas, it's a hybrid because it's half sand bass and half striper. Yeah. We also call them lunch. Keep him away from the pylon. Reel down to him and lift him up. There you go. Just lift slow. There you go. He got a blue cat. Freaking blue catfish. Don't reel up anymore. Let me grab the net. What's that, Steve? That's all right. He'll be double fried at one part.
Snagged him or
no, he bit it. He bit the first one. Actually, that's a big channel cat.
That's nice size for the fillets. Getting too big, then you're...
Yeah. Get hold of him here. I got it. He broke the line. Black and chartreuse jig. Yeah, that's a little blue cat.
Yeah.
That's him.
Growling?
Yeah. Isn't that funny? Little blue kitty. All right. The lake record on here is like 90 pounds for
These are
those.
working dogfish.
Huh?
They have dog.
Reel. Reel first, reel first. Turn it, turn it, turn it. All right, pick him up.
You got it, Dad?
Just step on all that stuff. It ain't gonna hurt it. It's just a bow. There you go.
He's still there.
Hey. He's pulling the boat around.
Big one.
Keep a
Or a feisty, small one.
just keep a bend in the rod so he stays hooked. There you go. Got it?
Yeah, I got a little light in there.
That's all right. You're excited to get a fish, right?
You must be running with it.
It's a
now.
good kitty fish. Yeah, he's coming right to us. I'm gonna go ahead and get the net. That way we don't take a chance on losing fillets.
About 18 inches. Couple pounder.
Yep. Oh, watch the head. Oh. Right in the corner of the mouth. And see, the problem is this might be over 20 inches. So we're only allowed 7 of these a day.
You gotta catch first 7, right?
Yeah, I know. But it'd be close.
Yeah.
So you can just stick that on this over the side and in the holder, and we'll get them over there.
Solid marker. No.
There you go. Let's see if he's over the 20 mark.
Nope.
Oh, yeah, he is. I might push him forward more. He still touches the 20. Actually, he's no, he doesn't. Ha ha! So he's not one of our 7. He's an under 20. To the fryer. There you go. Get him on in. Hold your rod that way a little bit so we don't tangle this other reel. There you go. I don't think he's gonna be very big,
No. Just a nice eating size.
but if he'll fry, we got it. We're doing good.
Yeah. Enough to make a stinky pan, I think.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, little blue kitty. He's lassoed. Let's lift him straight on up. Oh, I got you. He got that whole thing, whole hook in his mouth.
He's never gonna come off.
No, no. And it looks like he lassoed his lips. That's another eater blue. A fry blue. Fry cat. Oh, he popped the cork off of it.
He's still shaking even.
Yep, there you go. Real fast, he's coming towards you. Reel him fast, he's coming towards you. He hit it so hard he popped the cork off the leader. Now when he gets close, he might turn around and go the other way. So keep going, real faster, faster. You gotta keep that rod bent. There you go. There you go, nice kitty.
Yeah, that might be 20 inches.
Yep, bring him over here. Problem is, can you believe it? He ain't even that big. Now let me see something. Look at my cork floating back there. It doesn't matter if he's, it didn't matter if he's 20 inches because we get to keep 7 over 20.
Oh, yeah.
But he hit it like a 45 pounder. Good grief. Hold on that for me. I got to untangle it from the other one. Good kitty. Oh, he's over 20. I almost guarantee it. Nose is touching, tail down, over 20. So we got 1 over 20.
We get 7 over 20.
Here you go. I'll there you go. All right. Looks like you got a little channel cat. Angry little channel kitty.
Yeah, wrapped up somehow. We can just roll them.
It might be a channel. No, it's a little blue. Fry blue. That's good. That's good. Don't reel anymore. I got him. You're right. That little. Yeah, he slammed it. Look where something else bit him.
Yeah.
You see the teeth marks from another catfish. Everything's on the menu here.
You're small, you're in danger.
See where he's got a bite mark and the teeth marks on him?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All the way around.
Yeah. Lift straight up on it. He's on it. Don't wait. Lift. No, lift. Just pick it up. There you go. Reel him in.
This one's a little bigger.
Yeah.
They also got a hook in the tail.
He just come off.
No, I need to turn toward the boat.
Okay. Good. All right. I like seeing that.
I thought I got it off.
Bring him to your, never mind. Right. Somehow or another he came off of it. He was on that rod. There you go. Go down a little more. Right there's good. Stop right there. He appears to be hooked well. Look at that fin sticking out. You want your dad to come touch you for luck? Under 20 inches. I like it. Blue kitty. I mean, you didn't realize we got quite a few fish in there.